Hang on.
Doorbell and ring your doorbell, and then quickly run behind on the side of the house, and then they're gonna come out hopefully, and then we're gonna prank them. Yeah, and then we're gonna but the people across the street, they're really nice people, and they're old, so we're not really gonna be doing it. Yeah, we're not gonna do it to them right there. Yeah, because they're so nice and all that, and they want everything. So I guess let's get started with these pranks. Okay, I'll do it first, okay? Okay. Stop. Okay, well, I'm just gonna do it first, so. Oh, shoot. Next task.
I just think it's really funny, y'all. I mean, it's not that funny, but I think it's pretty cool how his mouth moves. But anyway, welcome to Elijah's World. Sorry I didn't say that at the beginning.
Elijah went on the other side. We're good.
Just so y'all know, during Christmas time, this is in the living room. I made a video of it in the living room, just as a decoration. The video's too long. That video's too long, so I'm gonna have to not play the whole video. His mouth moves when we run.
I heard her come out. She did. I heard her come out. I heard a voice. Little girl went. No, let's walk up to him. Here. Elijah, we have to give him the note. On the note. Come on. Say it. How we paint you. They're right there. Oh, shit, they're right there. Good.
This is connected to a cable AUX thing,
Dog.
which is connected to Santa.
They're right around the corner, I swear.
I'm gonna have to end the video, y'all. Well,
There's two little girls that are looking.
thanks for trying Elijah's World. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. And comment, like, hit the clickbait, turn on my notifications, and mostly subscribe. If we get, how about this? If we get 66 subscribers, then me and Caden will dump a bucket full of water, like a bucket full of hot water or cold water on ourselves. And if we hit 66 subscribers instead of cut, but I just think it's really funny how we done it. And thanks for watching Elijah's World. Bye, y'all.